In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Gmail. Now this should be a quick and easy process video, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump through it. Now in order to change the text color in Gmail, you have to compose a new mail. So in order to do that, it is so easy. All you have to do is to follow this instruction step by step. So let's go ahead and jump through it. So just go ahead and click on Compose. And from here, if you want to change the text color, all you have to do is click on this icon right here. Then go ahead and click on the same icon that is available in this tab that's popped up for you. So go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can change the text color and the background color. So just choose the color you want. Then go back again. You can change the background color and start typing, and you will see changes. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.